Focus. So hello friends, I Ranajit. All of you welcome to my YouTube channel Ranajit's Karate Practice. So today I will discuss about some important punches that are useful for your self defense. Okay, so you should practice these punches and should use these punches for your self defense. Okay, so let's start the video. Technique is to normal punch or single punch, which you have seen or done sometime. Okay, this is this okay, and this punch is not so critical, and this all the punches or techniques that you use should need more practice and very much practice, and if you done more practice then your punch become more dangerous, more faster and more effective. Okay, so this is the normal punch that you have seen, and all of you done this punch like this like this, see this, and this technique is wrong. Okay, and this punches should be there should be a twist in this punch, like this like this this see, like this punches goes that and then twist, goes then twist, 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 twist. Okay, and this twist make your punch more faster, more effective and more uh, danger. Okay, and the twist should be make when the punch should be just touching the enemy's body wherever it is, and then twist it, like touch the enemy's body and then twist, touch the enemy's body and then twist. Okay, this, and you should practice this at this punch should be practice, you should practice for 50 times per day. Okay, 50 times per day each hand. Okay, like 1 2 3 means total 100. Okay, so then the next technique is to double punch or Zuki. Okay, this is like one count double punch. This is the technique of the fast. Okay, and this is like this 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 this. Okay, and this punch is also effective, like someone is in your front and you want, and you see that your hand cannot be reach his body. If you do this, then what do you do? Then you should, if you practice this punch very effectively, then you stand there and go like a false punch, then go here, then punch. Okay, like goes with a false punch on his face, this false punch and then this. Okay, so this punch is here is very effective, and you should practice this punch in Shiko Dutch stance. Okay, this 1 2 3 4 5, and by doing this 50 times each times. Okay, like 50, one count 50 means first time is 100, total 100 and then 100. Okay, like 1 2 3 this and then 100, then at 50 times 50 count, change your hand like this and then do this. Okay, and if you want to can't do this, then do it for 25 times, 25 in uh, this hand and then again 25 in this hand. Okay, so this punch is also effective. This punch is Gyago Zuki. Okay, and then come to Sandan Zuki. Okay, Sandan Zuki is triple punch. 1 2 3. First is in your face level, then second is your on your chest level, then third in your belly level or abdomen level. Okay, and these punches should be done like this: 1, 2, 3, and all the kick and the technique should be done by on the Shikoda stance. Okay, like this, sit, this, see this. You should be sit on a like this. Even think that you sit on a chair like this. Okay, see this. Okay, then do this: 1, 2, 3 in one count. Then again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in one count. 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, and this punch is also effective when someone is also stand here, and then he stand here like there in your front, and you do 1, 2, 3, then it is very effective. Okay, so uh, and there are some uh, uh, level of your body or the part of your body, not level, okay, its part, like first part is your head. This part is called jodan, and then your chest level, this is called chudan, and then your belly level, this is called gidan. Okay, and when you do this single punch on in your face level, on your face level, then this punch is called jodanzuki, and then when you do this on your chest level, this is called chudanzuki, and then this is called gidanzuki, means your belly level. Okay, all of this you should practice for 50 times or 25 times or 20 times. Okay, uh, first you should do by make like this: 1, 2, 3, no, sorry, you should do first in first 1, 2, 3, 4 like this 20 times, not like so fast like me. You should do this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this, then 20, then come to your this level, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then Giran 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. Okay, then do double punch. This this is this punch is on your mainly on your chest level or on your face level or chest level. Okay, and then do this. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and change your left hand. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay, and then Sandanzuki, I also seen you like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You should do this punch for 50 times. Okay, so this much today. So if you like this video, then please press the like icon, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, and please comment me that what type of video I should make. Okay, uh, so thanks for watching. Bye guys.